JDF and JMF are the communication standards by which devices and software share information in the printing industry. To demonstrate this, we first need a job to be raised in the Shuttleworth system. To quickly raise a job, we can use the job wizard, which by entering a few simple parameters will calculate the optimum production route and raise a works order ready for JDF submission into any JDF-enabled workflow or device. Selecting a brochure, saddle stitched, entering size and description, we click on Save and we can then enter the components. First, pre-press. The cover is going to be 4 pages. We select the material, printed 5 colours with a spot UV on the front. The text is 12 pages, again material selected and printed 5 colours. The brochure is going to be saddle stitched and the delivery is to Zone 1. We enter our quantity and by pressing Calculate, the system will consider all possible impositions and machinery to optimise the production process. The job is then raised and we can see that we have both sections produced on the B2 press but on different sheet sizes with different working methods. By linking the supplied artwork with the job before JDF submission, we can instruct the workflow to process the file. If we then click on the Documents tab, Works Order, we then submit the job to the desired software or device by clicking on the JDF button. We're using Kodak Prinergy as a demonstration of what can be achieved with JDF, and here in Prinergy you can see that the job has arrived. The 16 pages have been added with the imposition of the 2 sections also specified. The artwork then arrives and Prinergy performs an automated pre-flight and refine on the file. During this process, Prinergy will also thumbnail each of the pages, which are then submitted back to Shuttleworth and can be viewed as attachments or in the job folder. The approval status of each of these pages can also be communicated, allowing users of Shuttleworth to see if the customer has given final approval of the artwork prior to plate processing. When this is complete, the pages are assigned, which in turn fills the imposition specified earlier. Once the imposition is full, an automated virtual proof is produced, which in turn is then communicated back to Shuttleworth. Switching to the separations view, we can see that more detail can be picked up from the JDF, including material, weight and thickness, which can be used by a pre-press workflow to automate more manual processes. All of the above processing has been completed in Prinergy without any human intervention. It's important to note that any process completed in the pre-press workflow can be communicated back to Shuttleworth, including artwork approvals, proofs and plates.